Good morning students, 12th standard business maths, second chapter integral calculus, exercise number 2.7, integrate the following with respect to x. 11th sum, x cube divided by root of x power 8 minus 1. Solution, we should take a, let I equal to integral x cube divided by root of x power 8 minus 1 into dx. So we should write this I equal to integral x cube divided by root of x power 8 is we should write x power 4 whole square. So 2 4s are 8, power is 8 minus 1 is we should write 1 square into dx. We should take put x power 4 is t we should take. So it's a differentiate with respect to x 4x cube into dx equal to dt, t differentiate then dt. For constant we should take right hand side, x cube into dx equal to dt divided by 4. This side multiple, next side is becomes divide. So we should substitute in I equal to integral. We know that x cube into dx is what? X cube into dx is dt divided by 4. So dt divided by 4 whole divided by root of x power 4 whole square. We know that x power 4 is what? T. So t square minus 1 square. So we should write this I equal to constant 1 by 4 is to take out 1 by 4 integral dt divided by root of t square minus 1 square. Root of t square minus 1 square. So we should we know that the formula integral dx divided by root of x square minus a square equal to log modulus of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c is the formula. So we should substitute this formula here. X is what? T. A is what? 1. We should substitute this formula here. I equal to 1 by 4. Integrate this value is log of modulus. X is what? T. We should substitute t plus root of t square minus 1 square. A is what? 1. So 1 square. T square minus 1 square plus c. So we should write this substitute t value now. 1 divided by 4 log of modulus. T value we know that t equal to x power 4 already taken. X power 4 is equal to what is it? T. So t equal to x power 4 we should substitute here. X power 4 plus root of t square is what? X power 4 whole square. T is x power 4. It's a t square is x power 4 whole square minus 1 square is what? 1 plus c equal to 1 divided by 4 log of modulus x power 4 plus root of x power 4 whole square is what? 4 2s are 8, x power 8. So x power 8 minus 1 plus c. That's all. 12th sum, root of 1 plus x square. Solution, let I is equal to integral root of 1 plus x square into dx. So we should arrange in order. I equal to integral root of, first is the x square term, x square plus x plus 1 into dx. We know that this format we should change it is a square plus 2ab form. So a square is, so a is what? X, b we should find out. So 2ab is what? X. 2ab equal to x So a is, we know that what is here, x. 2x into b equal to x. So x cancel one time, b equal to 1 divided by 2. So b value 1 by 2. We should add and subtract 1 by 2 whole square. So that is equal to integral square root of x square plus x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 into dx, plus 1 into dx. So I equal to integral square root of a square plus 2ab plus b square form. A is what, x, a plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. We know that this formula. A is what is here, x, b is what is here, 1 by 2. So x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 square is a 1, 2 square is a 4 divided by 4 plus 1 into dx. I equal to integral root of x plus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 4s are 4. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. So plus 3 by 4 into dx. It is a right hand formula, x square plus a square formula. Root of x square plus a square formula. Integral root of x plus 1 by 2 whole square. Integral root of x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 is root 3. We should write 4 is 2. Its whole square is 3 by 4. So root 3 whole square is what? 3. 2 square is what? 4. So into dx. It is a integral root of x square plus a square into dx format. So we should write that we know that the formula integral square root of x square plus a square into dx equal to x divided by 2 root of x square plus a square plus a square divided by 2 log of modulus x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c is the formula. Formula is the integral root of x square plus a square into dx equal to x by 2 root of x square plus a square divided by 2 log of modulus x plus root of a square x square plus a square plus c is the formula. We should substitute this formula here. X is what? X plus 1 by 2. A is what? Root 3 divided by 2. So we should substitute here. I equal to x by 2. X is x plus 1 by 2. X plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. X by 2 root of x square plus a square. Root of x square plus a square. Its value is, we know that x square plus x plus 1. So root of x square plus x plus 1. Next plus is the solution. Plus a square value. A is, we know that root 3 divided by 2. A square is the root 3 divided by 2 whole square. So root 3 divided by 2 whole square divided by 2. Next log of modulus x plus x is what? X plus 1 by 2. X plus 1 by 2 plus root of x square plus a square. We know that root of x square plus a square value, we know that root of x square plus x plus 1. Root of x square plus x plus 1 plus c. That is equal to x plus 1 by 2 divided by 2 root of x square plus x plus 1 plus root 3 whole square is root 3 square is what? 3 divided by 2 square is 4 divided by 2 log modulus of x plus 1 by 2 plus root of x square plus x plus 1 plus c. This is equal to x plus 1 by 2 divided by 2 root of x square plus x plus 1 plus 3 by 4. So 3 take down now 4 to the 8. 3 by 8 log modulus of x plus 1 by 2 plus root of x square plus x plus 1 plus c. That's all. Exercise 2.7 14 sum root of 4x square minus 5. Integrate this value. Solution. Let I equal to integral square root of 4x square minus 5 into dx. I equal to integral square root of 4x square, we should write 2x whole square. 2x whole square is 2 square is 4x square minus 5 is root 5 whole square. Root 5 whole square is what? 5 into dx. So we know that the formula, this is a mx, this is a. So we should use this formula integral square root of mx whole square minus a square into dx equal to 1 by m into mx divided by 2 root of mx square minus root 5 whole minus a square minus a square divided by 2 into log of modulus x plus mx plus square root of mx whole square minus a square plus c is the formula. So we should substitute this formula. Integral root of mx square minus a square into dx equal to 1 by m into mx divided by 2 square root of mx whole square minus a square by 2 log of modulus mx plus square root of mx whole square minus a square plus c is the formula. So we should substitute this formula. Mx is what? 2x. A is what? Root 5. So m is 2. We should substitute here. I equal to integrate value 1 by m. 1 by m means what is there? M is what? 2. 1 divided by 2 into mx. Mx is what? 2x divided by 2 square root of mx whole square 2x whole square minus a square root 5 whole square. A is root 5 whole square minus a square divided by 2 root 5 is a root 5 whole square divided by 2 log modulus of mx is what? 2x plus root of mx whole square 2x whole square minus a square is a root 5 whole square plus c is a, that is equal to, here 1 by 2 is a common, take out 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, what is the 2x into square root of 2x whole square is what? 4x square minus root 5 whole square is 5 minus root 5 whole square is what? 5 log modulus 2x plus root of 2x whole square is what? 4x square minus root 5 whole square is what? 5 plus c. So we should multiple this 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 into 2x root of 4x square minus 5 minus 5 log modulus 2x plus root of 4x square minus 5 plus c. That's all. Second chapter, integral calculus. X is 2.7. Integrate the following with respect to x. Question number 16. 1 divided by x plus root of x square minus 1. So we should take a solution. Let I equal to integral 1 divided by x plus root of x square minus 1 into dx. So we should multiple its conjugate, multiply and divide. I equal to integral 1 divided by x plus root of x square minus 1 into its conjugate is here plus, then so minus is its conjugate, x minus root of x square minus 1 divided by x minus root of x square minus 1 into dx. It's the same, it is multiple, then it is cancel 1 into this value is what? Same value. So we should use 1 into x minus root of x square plus 1 is same, x square minus 1 divided by, it is a plus b into a minus b form. A is x, b is the root of x square minus 1. A plus b into a minus b. We know that the formula a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square is the formula. So we should substitute this formula here. A square is what? A is what? X. So x square minus is a symbol minus b square. B is what? Root of x square minus 1. Root of x square minus 1 whole square, b square into dx. It is equal to integral x minus root of x square minus 1 divided by, so it is a x square minus, it's a square, then square root and square is a cancel, minus take inside, minus x square, minus and minus is a plus 1 into dx. Now x square minus x square is a cancel, integral x minus root of x square minus 1 into dx. It's a this value divided by 1. It's a divide, then what is here? It's the same value, x minus root of x square minus 1 into dx. Next we should take separate this integral value I equal to integral x into dx, x into dx minus is the next symbol, integral root of x square minus 1 into dx. So we should change it is a x square minus a square form. So integral x into dx minus integral root of x square minus 1 square into dx. We know that the formula integral x into dx equal to x square divided by 2. Integral x into dx is a x square divided by 2. Another one formula, integral root of x square minus a square into dx equal to, formula is x divided by 2 root of x square minus a square minus a square divided by 2 log of modulus x plus root of x square minus a square into a square plus c is the formula. So we should substitute this formula here. I equal to integral x into dx is integrate, then what is there? X square divided by 2. X square divided by 2 minus integral root of x square minus 1 square into dx. X is what? X, a is what? 1. Substitute this formula. This is the formula. Substitute what is x by 2. X is what? X by 2 root of x square minus a square, x square minus a square, x square minus a square, minus, symbol is minus, a square, a square we know that what is a 1 square, divided by 2, log modulus, x is what, x plus root of x square minus a square, x square is what, x square, x is x, so x square, minus a square is what is here, 1 square, plus c. So we should write this x square divided by 2, minus we should take inside, minus x by 2 root of x square, minus a square is what, 1 square we know that, minus 1 square, minus 1 square is what, 1, here minus into minus is what, plus 1 square is what, 1 divided by 2, log modulus x plus root of x square minus 1 square is what, 1 plus c. Write in the form x square divided by 2 minus x by 2 root of x square minus 1 square is what, 1 plus 1 by 2 log modulus x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c. That's all.